Hello friends, in this video we will learn about match function. So what is basically match function? It helps us to find the position of the number or text in a range. If you have to find, there are load of cells in the Excel, there are load of datas in the Excel around. If you have 5,000 names in the cells of this Excel and you have to find a particular name or the position of that name, then how could you? Then you can find through the help of this match function. Alright, if you have a large data and you want to find the position of some name like Anand, Amit and whatever, so how could you? So basically that's why we use match function. There is a difference between VLOOKUP and match function. Match function is basically to find the position of that number or text, whatever you want to find. Alright. So we have basically a formula of that. Lookup value, comma, lookup range, comma, match type. Okay, lookup value is the value that you want to look in that range. You want to find the value, the position of that range in that range. Lookup range is basically can be a row and can be a column in which you want to find the position of this lookup value. Alright. Third, we are going to discuss about match type. Okay. Basically three match types. You can put 1, -1 and 0. There is a lot difference between three. Okay. For the exact match of the value that you want to find, you have to use 0. Alright. And if the range in which you want to find your value is in ascending order, right, then you can use 1. It will give you the value that is the exact or less than that value. And if your data or range is arranged in descending order, alright, then you have to use this -1. Okay? You have to use -1 and this will give you the exact value or the greater than that value. Alright. So let's discuss about three of them via example. Okay, basically now I'm going to first test for match type 0. Okay, now suppose I have to find the value of Anand. How could be? Is equal to match, bracket open, lookup value. What is our lookup value? Is Anand. What is our lookup array? In which we want to find the value, like this. Alright. Like this. Okay. Now we are going for exact match. We will put 0 and then enter. Not available. What is the problem now? So I told you that we have to take the array. It means it will tell you not the value, it will tell you the position in the array. So you don't have to select this one, you have to select this, just this column. Okay. So we were now going into this formula, backspace, and we will now again select this one column and then enter. Then you will find the value 3. It means Anand in this column is in third position. Alright. So I hope you understood this. Okay. I hope you understood this. Now move on to the second one in which we will discuss about match type 1. Okay. Okay. That I tell you that for the match type 1 you have ascending, you have your values in ascending form, right? And you can look over here, the values are in ascending position. So what you have to do, just is equal to match, bracket open. Okay, what are the values we want to? Let's suppose we want the value for 3. Okay, for 3, and comma lookup array. We have to select this array. Okay, and then what is our match type? This is just 1, bracket close and enter. We got the value 1. Again match lookup value. Our lookup value is 3, comma value array, comma 1, bracket open and enter. 1. Okay, why this is 1? Okay, I'm going to explain you, because I told you earlier that if we want to find the position of some numbers and the range is arranged in ascending form, then we were going to find the value of 3, but 3 is not available in your range. The value less than 3 is available, that is 2. So that's why it gives us the position 1. Alright, I hope you understood it. Now moving to the third one, that is match type -1. Alright, you can see that these numbers, these arrays are arranged in descending form. Okay, is equal to match, bracket open, lookup value. Now let's suppose we want to find the value 5, comma, we have to select this array, comma -1, bracket close, enter. 5. Okay, let us understand why we got the value 5. Okay, so we got the value 5 in this position. It means 7th. Why we got the 7th? Because I told you earlier this also, that if you put -1 as match type, then you will got the exact value or the greater than that. Then we were finding 5, but 5 as a value, but here the greater than 5 is 7. Okay, that's why we got the position of 7, 5. Alright, I hope you understood it and to be clear. Okay, thank you so much.